Hello, this is example of a crude distillation unit having atmospheric and vacuum columns. The optimization objective was to increase the distillate yield while keeping the proper product properties within limits. So what was done? Uh, Basically daily the operator was given a report called benchmark alert report. Let's take example of a particular day. So on that day, the report said right now the distillate yield can be increased by 2% without violating the product properties or changing those properties significantly. That is, an accurate prediction about optimization potential was done even when the lab results were not available. That is the first part. Second part, it said to increase this 2% distillate yield, change the various draw flows as follows. For example, change Kero from 93 to 95,000, naphtha from this to that, and so on and so forth. Right? So two parts. One, it accurately said how much optimization, that is increase in distillate yield, is possible without knowing the lab results at that point in time. And secondly, it gave direct recommendation what to do in the plant to achieve that higher yield. Now, how can the utility be seen? It can be seen almost instantly. Once the report is received, operator can look at it and say, oh, whether this makes sense or this is nonsense. If it makes sense directionally, he can simply put those settings in the plant, increase the flows, and the yield increase can be seen almost instantly. As soon as the flows stabilize, the higher yield can be seen. And once the lab results are available, maybe next ship or whenever during the day, it can be verified that the yield increase is done without compromising on quality, or the quality is within the limits. Thus, the utility and benefit of this daily benchmark alert can be verified on the same day without any calculations. Now, why do this benchmark alerts? Basically, one can establish the work process in plant to do daily plant operations optimization if that practice is already not in place. This is the thing which makes highest impact for optimization, when the people in the plant want to do optimization and do it daily. How they do it, what tools they use, that is of secondary importance. The second thing is, this exercise conclusively proves that for this particular plant, the operations optimization is feasible technically. Thirdly, it conclusively proves what is the actual benefit potential which is already achieved in this plant. For example, in this plant, the exercise was run for 3 months, and consistently the yield increase was seen 1.5% to 2%. Now, do you want to attach a money benefit? This is a refinery, 150 barrels per day. If we take 2% increase in the yield, that is 2% of the crude is upgraded from any other product, low value product, to distillates. And we assume that the difference in the price of distillate versus any other products is about $10 a barrel, or 5 rupees a liter. Then the benefit comes to about $10 million per year, or about 90 crore rupees per year. Now, this is good enough justification to invest in long term for optimization efforts for this particular plant. The optimization system can be anything, but it shows that the plant has potential, it is possible to optimize, and this is the quantum of benefit possible. Thank you. My name is Samir Gizre, and wish you a nice day or evening ahead.